In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a template on Wix. Whether you're revamping your website's look or just exploring new design possibilities, I'll guide you through this process step by step, ensuring you achieve the desired results effortlessly. First, start by opening your web browser and searching for Wix. Once you've done that, simply click on the Wix link to navigate to their website. If you have a Wix account, log in with your credentials. If not, you'll need to sign up for an account to proceed with customizing your site. After logging into Wix, you'll find yourself in the dashboard where you can manage your websites. Here, you'll want to click on the option that says Select and Edit Site for the website you wish to modify. This will take you directly to the site editor where you can make the changes. Now that you're in the editor, locate and click on the Design Site button. This is your cue to start designing, and it's where the fun begins. At the top, you'll see an option labeled Site. Go ahead and click on that. Then select Create New Site. This step sets the stage for choosing a fresh template. With a new site in place, you'll be given the option to set up your site without using the Wix AI Assistance chat. Click on Set Up Without Chat to proceed. Shortly after, you'll be presented with various setup choices, so choose the option that fits your needs and click Continue. Once you've continued, you'll find yourself once again in the design area, this time ready to explore the various design features Wix offers. Once there, look for and select the option to pick a template. Wix has a rich array of templates catering to different styles and industries. Browse through these templates until you find one that resonates with your vision. Once you've selected your desired template, give it a click to apply it to your site. After your new template is all set, head back to your original website in the Wix editor. You might want to carry over certain elements from your old site to the new one for consistency. To do this, right-click on the elements you wish to move in your original site, such as text boxes or images, and select Copy. Now, switch to your new site and wait for it to load. When it's ready, right-click on the canvas of your new template and paste the copied elements. Choose the Paste and Apply Site Theme option. This will incorporate the copied elements into your new site design, matching them to your new template's overall look and style. And just like that, you've successfully updated your website template. Remember, Wix offers a variety of customizations, so feel free to experiment with different design elements until your site looks exactly as you want. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!